How to upload video from CapCut to YouTube. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, edit your video, and then press on arrow which is located on top right and save the video. After you have saved the video, open YouTube and click on plus button which is located at the bottom. Then simply click on add which is located on left side and then add the video you saved earlier from CapCut and then press on done. Again click on tick mark. Now press on next and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply add your caption and then press on upload shorts and you're good to go. This is how to upload video from CapCut to YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off. Until next time.